we went to Mr. Sancho's. Mistakes happened. I accidentally slipped in the pool.
Water?
Yeah, I slipped in the water and my camera broke. I do have a little bit of footage from Mr. Sancho's. I got what I could with my phone and with the GoPro with what little footage I have. So we're gonna drop some footage here. Yes, I'll be over here in a second. I got the green monster. Cheers. Oh man, that's good. Ooh, this water is cold. We're at Mr. Sancho's right now. We just ate. The food was really good. Whew. Ice cold pool. Pina colada. The man. Let's go, yes. Oh, that's good. That's really good.
Hey, my name is Nick Robinson. I love his YouTube channel. I'm finna be on this second time or whatever. I'm finna do this thing. Love you, bro. Hey, you get on it next time, don't smile. Don't do that no more.
Oh, you did it. Try it again.
We're at Pig and Anchor. Got to try out. We're gonna try it out for the first time. Well, for me anyways. Man, check this out. This is nice. I couldn't decide on which one to get, so I got both. The bourbon banana pie and the mud pie. And then Chloe got ice cream.
Hi guys, my name is Archon. I work in Carnival Jubilee. I just want to say hi to my family, my friends, and everybody that likes me and loves me. My friends from Zimbabwe and my family in South Africa. I just want to say hi. See you soon.
All right, thank you. You've been amazing. Thank you.
Sweating up a storm for imaginary points. That's hilarious. Clap and I clap. Very good. Yes, you do. I want us to be united. So whether on this side, that side, or right here, I want us singing, dancing, and moving on together, right? Can you do this? Do this.
got Party Boy. Party Boy. Banana Mama. I have it wrapped around my head. It can only fit to here.
You have time to go change.
No. I don't know. Is it good?
Hey, say thank you, Bama, Nola.
Say thank you, Bama.
Thank you, Bama.